Let the Lord enter. He is the King of glory. The Lord's are the earth and its fullness, the world and those who dwell in it. For He founded it upon the seas and established it upon the rivers. Let the Lord enter. He is the King of glory. Who can ascend the mountain of the Lord, or who may stand in His holy place? He whose hands are sinless, whose heart is clean, who desires not what is vain. Let the Lord enter. He is the King of glory. He shall receive a blessing from the Lord, a reward from God, His Savior. Such is the race that seeks for Him, that seeks the face of the God of Jacob. Let the Lord enter. He is the King of glory.
Hello, my name is Jim Caviezel, the actor who